train from the source. Learn from the best. Introducing L3 Harris In-Flight Training, a new generation of in-flight instruction led by L3 Harris certified trainers, ensuring your team is secure and at the ready when duty calls. L3 Harris certified trainers provide visual, performance-based, interactive instruction, customized to your specific system and platform.
That's incredible. 7 miles right there. You can read Navy on the tail there too.
Scenario-based solutions and learning theories in a small group format. Our distinguished trainers know that greatness lies beyond the classroom. L3 Harris In-Flight Training is a comprehensive cross-training platform taught from the ground up. Small group mastery using fixed-wing aircraft with multiple turret mounts and variable configuration opportunities. A true hands-on experience with day and night mission scenarios. Real-life training solutions.
Go for search and rescue ground.
Crew mission coordination. Situational awareness. And resource management.
Search and rescue air, search and rescue ground has made contact with person.
Search and rescue air confirms you are with the missing persons.
As your teams change and missions evolve, so too does your requirement for training. Register your team today for uninterrupted mission equipment mastery.